Hello friends, good afternoon and welcome to EduSat Live Lectures. Dear friends, today in Computer Sciences we will be talking about systems, applications and products. To discuss this topic, we have with us our subject expert Dr. U.S. Pandey. Dr. Pandey is Associate Professor in Department of Computer Sciences, School of Open Learning, University of Delhi. Without further ado, I would like to welcome Sir to our studios and request him to start the lecture. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Today we are going to talk about the SAP. The SAP stands for the System Application and the Products in Data Processing, a ERP dynamo. 10 million users, 30,000 installation, 1,000 partners, 21 industries, solutions, customer worldwide, mostly Fortune 500 companies, 95% of the top 100 German companies uses this product, SAP. You may be knowing about this particular product which is widely being utilized by most of the industries nowadays. Now, what is this SAP is? SAP is the fourth largest software company in the world. The SAP R3 system is a business software package designed to integrate all areas of a business. Now, its introduction to SAP RS system, this system functionality, and we'll talk about this implementation methodologies. You just see here this SAP R3 application, integrated solutions, open systems, client server architecture, enterprise data model, the comprehensive functionality designed for all type of business, multinational Euro Y2K. Inside this, the client server architecture, we do have the sales distribution ST, that is material management, FP that is product planning, QM that is quality management, PM that is plant maintenance, HR which is human resource, IS that is industry solutions, workflow, the project system, asset accounting, controlling and financial accounting. So, lot of big applications are going to be there, this are applications. We can, as we have mentioned, starting with the sales distribution to material management, product planning, quality management, plant insurance, the human resource, workflow, industry solutions, as well as the controlling, asset accounting. The very important thing that all of them activities are taking place simultaneously at one place, putting all of them together and doing the execution properly, taking care of each and every individual activity which is interrelated also. So, the big applications are going to be there. Now, here you can see this SAP system landscape. We do have a server, the main server which is attached with the many different kind of systems. It could be of the different environment, different application, and all of them have been put together. In the SAP technology environment, the platform is independent, platform independent. The SAP application module is there. Platform dependent bases are going to be there. Operating system, you can see here the hardware platform environment. SAP application module, user interface, R3 data repository and all. So, this is the total technological environment of SAP system. Now, in this R3 technology environment, the hardware, operating system, databases, dialog, SAP GUI languages, Unix system, Bell, Digital, HP, IBM, SNI, Sun are in this full chain with Compaq, Data General, Digital, HP, Intel, IBM, NCR, Sequent, SNI, IBM AS400, IBM S900. In operating system here, AIS Digital Unix, HP UK, Reliant Unix, Xenix, Solaris, Windows NT, OS 400, OS 390. And in the databases, database T, DB2 for AIX, Informix, Online, Oracle, database T, MS SQL Server, Informix Online, Oracle, DB2 400 or DB2 390. And in Dialog SPGI, Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows NT, OSF Motif, OS2 Presentation Manager, PM, Macintosh, Java, Windows NT, Windows 95, PM, that is Presentation Manager, Java and all. And in languages, ABAP 4, C, C++, HTML, Java, ActiveX Control. So, these are the things in R3 technology environment which is going to be used hardware wise, operating system, databases, dialog and languages. We do have discussed about the different kind of operating system environment, different kind of databases and the different kind of languages which are being used in this technological environment. Now, SAP in the business mode, as you are already aware that the software is maximum in use in business organization in major industries. Why SAP R3 has been successful? It's a multilingual, secure information, integrated, multi-currency, best business practice and enterprises wise. Imagine this is a successful because this multilinguality is fully secured, information is fully secured, only authentic person can receive the information or authentic person can handle the activities which is required. It's very much integrated software, lot of different applications as we have just discussed are being put together and they are simultaneously being run if one environment required another or another is required third or fourth, like that, each and everything it put together and do simultaneously. The multi-currency system is going to be there. The best business practices are already there, and enterprises wide. It include in detail how the maximum thing can happen and how do we can integrate it with the different environment in the business. In one word, it's all the best suitable for overseas kind of business or the business which include from zero to each and every activities. Now, why SAP R3 has been successful? It's real-time processing with an integrated suite for client-server applications. Comprehensives, it's open. The business processes orientation, fully integrated business processes. As we have just told, the very important thing in any business activity, doing the real-time processing. And that real-time processing is with the integrated suite client server application. Take an example, maybe you are nowadays going through the e-commerce or different kind of products if you are buying online through the internet or through the online sites. Imagine if you ask for an item immediately and you are getting response after 1 or 2 minutes. Imagine if you are not getting things online. Another case, if you are booking an online ticket with the railways or with the airline and immediately you find that they are not able to provide you the exact updated when you are going to book the ticket, what will happen? So, here the real time processing is a very important part in any kind of business, and here this SAP R3 is fully supporting the real time processing, and that too with an integrated suite for client server application, the best suitable to the organizations as well as a client which is looking for that. Some kind of application which is very much in this real in the sense, and they are just looking immediately for that particular solution. If you are not able to get things very much in time, there is no use. And that is why this SAP R has been very successful, because it's providing you the online solution. In other words, it's providing you the real time solution, up to date information for a client as well as the business activities. Second thing is very comprehensive in the sense each and everything is immediately open to you. It is very much open. We have just told you. Another very important factor is fully integrated business processes. All the businesses process have been fully integrated. So easily any kind of decisions can be taken based on the different parameters which are being there. Now, another very important approach is a modular structure, international yet constant, providing maximum flexibility and scalability, a strong backbone for future technologies, OSS 24-hour support available. Now, as we discussed, it is very important because it's having a modular structure. Each and every individual module can be seen differently. As you know, in our organization, if a kind of things, if there is a marketing section, maybe there is accounting section as well as a transport division, some of the HR division, or you can the department which is taking the strategic management kind of system, all of them in a modular way are working separately. they can be put together for a particular time of thing, and that is why it is providing you the maximum flexibility and scalability also, and very strong backbone for the future technologies. This OSS 24-hour support facility available, which is very important for a client. Take a problem, if you have just done some kind of activity, immediately you would like to contact your organization, this 24-hour facility is available. So, there is no dependency that you have to vote for a time or wait for a time or wait for the instructions to be issued or anything else. Immediate, as we have mentioned, real time solutions with maximum flexibility and scalability. And another important, as we have just mentioned, it is modular structure, meaning by if you do have some kind of problem in a particular segment, no other segments are going to be disturbed. So, here you can see that by using this kind of a structure, a particular segment, a particular area, in other words, the specific area where a specific kind of problem is persisting, that can be addressed if required. And the very important thing is, as we mentioned, the 24-hour support is available. So, if any kind of problem persists, whether it is going to be related to software, which is going to be related to a specific module or a specific problem, each and everything can be addressed very easily. Now, you can see here the integration, an example. The production, SD sales order, the sales distribution sales order which have been given here, and you can see here the MRP, purchase required, purchase order, goods receipt, stock and the consumption accounts updated. Imagine, it looks very easy to see how the sales order have been prepared automatically. If something is there, automatically goods order and everything is going to be generated. The purchase order will be generated, the goods is going to be received, as your account or all other informations will be informed accordingly. In nutshell, each and every department will be upgraded, each and every department is integrated. If one information is passes through to the another section, all other sections where this information is required will be automated. So, the meaning by that, everything is fully integrated. If you just done some kind of production, the information will reach to the sales or marketing section. If the delivery or the purchase order have been done, the purchase requirement has come, purchase order been placed, goods receipt to the stock, and every section will be updated accordingly. And that is the major objective of this integration. Now, SAP methodologies. You can see here that the project preparation, business blueprint, here the realization, and final up to give this conclusion. So, this is the way how SAP methodologies are being used. Now, SAP tools are tailor-made for an effective, fast and well organized SAP R3 implementation. The complete implementation processes is well documented. Each and every segment is well documented. project preparation, define goals and objective, clearly scopes, strategy, schedule and all businesses. In the business blueprint, the requirements, document business, define the baseless and each and everything very clearly. And in the realization, system implementation, testing, release it for the predictions. So, meaning by that each and every segment starting with the project preparation, business blueprint, realization, each and every segment need to be defined very properly. It should be fully documented so that there will be no ambiguity or no problem at all. SAP tools are tailor-made as for effective, fast and well organized SAP model. As we are discussing, each and every segment is well documented. Now, in the final preparation, testing, which is a very important thing, end user training, system management, cutover activities, go live and support. The last thing after implementation each and everything, pre-production to live productive support organization. After completing, after implementing the entire project, the go live and this activity where you have to give the full support from the organizations is required. The meaning by all the 4-5 steps which you have defined, where each segment of business part or organizational activities are well defined, starting with the study to doing the implementation, doing all kind of activities up to go live when project is going to be implemented, then user can use it, and simultaneously the full support from the organization is going to be there. The very important thing is, as we are number of time emphasizing, each and every segment is fully documented, where which kind of activity will take place is well known. Now, the next wave, my SAP.com solution for the new economy. The new economy changes everything. More products, partners and transactions, creating new generations of e-business, expand corporate boundaries. What is the next thing is happening in the case of SAP is, as the business is increasing, maybe you are knowing now even the products from overseas, the products which are available not only in India, from outside, that easily you can buy it through the online services. Easily those goods can be delivered to you, as well as you can find out the exact requirements. The meaning by all the activities can be handled easily through these kind of activities. So, as the growing economy is taking place worldwide, the business can be done from any place to any place. There is no restriction that you to go, or there is no boundaries like in a specific country you have to be limited to do these activities. So, just to maintaining, controlling, handling all the activities related to the business, these softwares are playing a very important role. As we have just mentioned, starting from the delivery, starting from the producing your order, booking system, your sales, your all kind of details which have been given, all the formalities and from that dispatching the equipment. Beside that, all the account related activity of the organization, each and every segment of the business is being taken care of by this SAP environment, and that is why it is playing a great role in a business environment, or from future point of view where a huge amount of data is going to be processed. Already we have talked about the big data concepts, because a huge amount of data is being processed here, and each and every thing is being taken care very easily. Extending the enterprise in a crucial for survival. Now, by side integration, here you can see, as we have discussed, this enterprise management, the sales side integration, the manufacturing execution, logistics execution, service execution. As we have just discussed, the supplier of my supplier up to last extent, customer of my customer, each and everything is well taken care of by these kind of softwares. Whether it is just supplying a particular item, whether it is just making the payment or getting service related activities, or whether it is going to be talked about the customer satisfaction or the customer delivery, customer activities are going to be there, each and everything is being taken care of. So, that extending the enterprises for crucial survival in this case of the system. The meaning by that, by utilizing this particular software, every aspects of a business is being taken care. So, each and every individual activities of an organization is going to be taken care of. In this session, we are going to discuss about the cooperative scenario and demonstration about that. You see here that the call center, how the activities of this call center will go to the customer relationship management, that is CRM, and that will reach to the advanced planner and optimization, the optimizer, and then it will again coming back to the business to business procurement. Then it will go to the warehouse management and the business information warehouse. So, how this cooperative scenario of demonstration have been well defined, the related call centers will provide you the exact CRM based activity, where a customer relationship management, which is at the moment is the most important activity in the business environment, in the new economical system, in the new managerial system. Satisfaction of a customer is more important than doing all kind of activity. So customer relationship management, making that thing start, and based on that making the advanced planner and optimizer, and then about the business to business procurement, storing all those kind of activity, the warehouse of this management and the business information warehouse where all the required informations are being stored. So this is how a cooperative scenario of demonstration are going to be there. Now, my SAP.com strategy from integration to collaboration, as we have just discussed. This employee self-service, you can see here that e-commerce, business intelligence that we call BI also, the customer relationship management, that is CRM, and here you will see the business framework technologies, BAPSIS, XML enabling internet application components, the continuous knowledge transfer through the enterprise portals, marketplace portals, business scenario, partnering platform, outsourcing, and you see enterprise resource planning, enterprises cooperation, and enterprises collaboration. So here you can see the resource enterprises, all collaboration, planning and the cooperation with all different kind of integration to collaboration. Meaning by that each and every segment is being integrated into this kind of environment, and there is this kind of feature is there that if required you can go beyond that, or the more features can be integrated if the requirement is going to be there. It's a very complicated structure, but still things are in order, and if some more complications are going to be there, even those things can be resolved easily, and that thing can be put in a order in a more collaborative and integrative way, so that we can get the best solution of any organization. It could be any manufacturing unit, even it could be the government services which is being delivered by multiple level inheritance or multiple level kind of activity. Those kind of solutions are also going to be taken care of by this kind of activities. Even in the university system, in an educational system or any kind of industrial system, lot of modules which can easily handle all those activities. Now you can see SAP HANA cloud platform. As you can see that this kind of softwares where easily a cloud form way can be accessed. To build new cloud applications. New cloud applications can be built, extended on premises applications, that is cloud extension, extended cloud, cloud solutions are going to be there, run application management and runtime. As we have discussed, this lot of applications are coming to the cloud. So again it becomes too easy for handling for a customer as well as for organizations, easily taken care of all the activities related to the business or the other aspects of the system. Build new cloud applications. The SAP precision marketing helps the Society de Transporte to provide all the different kind of facility to the different kind of merchants or the personalities to come with the new cloud applications. You can see here the build new analytics applications. SAP Lumira. SAP Lumira helps business users access, transform and visualize data so they can deliver immediate fact-based answer to the complex business questions. As we have just discussed, the building the new kind of application which are coming through all these kind of activities, you can solve your problem whether you are in the same company, same business activities looking for an answer of the different kind of queries related to the questions. In other way, the meaning by to say that by getting lot of information, these systems are providing you the proper best solution so that easily you can handle different kind of activities. Now, extended SAP on-premise solution. Now, Danone South Africa, SAP HANA cloud platforms helps Danone call center employee deliver a more personalized experience to its customer with a different way. Easily they provide, in other words, easily the customers are being satisfied. Take example, now even in our country, if you get to talk to your customer care persons, almost they try to satisfy you with all the queries you are making to them. They can see to the system the cloud-based activities are being updated. The SAP is providing online this on-premises solutions. So, any kind of difficulties if you are getting, they are going to be solved immediately. So, the lot of softwares are already inbuilt to provide you the is kind of facility. In other words, I mean to say that the SAP is providing almost every kind of features with giving the different kind of module to everyone. It's kind of example, suppose you are at a very high level taking the strategic decisions. So, you will be ready with the different kind of strategic solutions, maybe major activity what happened where, what kind of solutions you can find out. Similarly, if you are a technician, if you are getting a kind of problem, there are a lot of solutions are easily available with the same system, and that too has been generated by the great experiences. Simultaneously, even at a customer level or some kind of other problems are being persisted, you are able to face some kind of problem. There is a module which is ready to help. Take a simple example as we taking this, even in the e-commerce activities, if you book an item within any organization or any e-commerce site, from the day of booking, the moment you are making the payment or the moment you are choosing your product, all your information is being stored. From which place, which time, what kind of items you have just taken, what are the items you have purchased, even the tracking system will start and immediately it will provide the pictorial information with the detailed SMS and all kind of information to you where your product is lying. When the packing is being started, when it has been dispatched from which place it has been displaced, each and everything or each and every activity you can see in a pictorial form in your system also. What I mean to say, a separate system is there just to make the whole tracking information so that a customer get fully satisfied that from where packing started, at the moment where it is reaches, when it will come to you. Before that they will inform you properly also, but if you would like to see each and every segment properly, you can do it here also. It is by the same kind of module is being defined. Already you may be knowing, not only this, there are many other software, many other in the government organizations also. A full-fledged tracking system is there. Take example, if you do from Indian Postal Services, if you do a kind of a speed post or doing any kind of personal activity, the moment you do it, from that onwards it will provide you the minute to minute information where your product is lying, when the product will reach to your destination, which post office is handling at the moment those activities. Meaning by, if you would like to see, you can take the full printout of the entire tracking system where minute to minute information may be in a pictorial form, may be in an information way, and each and everything is going to be provided to you. This is happening in the government system already, and going beyond that, these business activities, they are helping you in much more good way day by day. So this is how this kind of help is being provided by the different module of this SAP to every segment of the business activity or the other organizational activity which is going on. Now here, extended SAP on demand application. As we have just discussed, many applications are there. SAP success factors by creating extension to SAP success factors, companies can add new functionalities tailored to their business while providing a harmonized end user experience. As we have just mentioned that these softwares are almost full-fledged, developed, your almost all required information or the all required needs are being there. Still, if some kind of more things are needed, some kind of more reports are needed, some kinds of more analysis is required, some more information is being required, those things can be incorporated. In other words, those things can be integrated with a new system. So there are features are like that, that you can come up with the new system, come up with the new technologies which can be integrated, collaborated with this kind of system. So here SAP, all other different modules are there which is taking care of all kind of activities. Now SAP HANA application services. Already you are knowing that SAP with the HANA, this different kind of application services are being there. The mobile, portal, analytics, collaboration, security, integration. Extended your current application whether cloud or on premises. As we have just discussed, this software with a big database are making in a collaborative way become more dangerous, more providing services. Build next generation applications with the comprehensive mobile collaboration, big data and analytics services. As you may be knowing, nowadays, especially in the telemedicines or in the area of medicines, these are playing a very important role, where different kinds of medicines, different kind of disease, about the information of the patient as well as about the information of the hospitals and proper procurement of those kind of medicines which are being useful, all these things in a collaborative way, providing the analytics service to this. Take a simple example, just by having a big database about this medicine or different kind of patients and areas, in the medical science it is playing a very important role. As we have just mentioned, security is another biggest issue which is still going to be addressed in detail, but is playing an important role. The worldwide industries, the telemedicine industry, the medical science peoples are very much in a collaborative way are addressing lot of issue through these softwares. You will be surprised to know that lot of activities taking place in countries like India, where it is controlling most of the things of worldwide. People are sitting here and doing lot of betting services. As in the age of big data, hospitals are trying to share their very important information for the different kind of research activity, are taking a future step how these kind of diseases can be put in control and what is going to be the best module, best medicine, different kind of all aspects are being addressed through these kind of softwares and this big data environment that we are talking about, the SAP HANA and application services. As we have just mentioned that mobile is also being collaborated, integrated with this kind of activity. The meaning by that, if some kind of information is required to provide to certain hospitals, certain patients, doctors or the other related officials, you can take help of all these kind of, maybe it is through the website, through the other media control system, through the different kind of collaborative activities. So, medicines or medical science is one area. In all different areas, these all are playing a very important role, and SAP HANA different kind of application services are being created. Now, the dramatically increase the developers' productivity with an open, standards based, easy to use cloud environment and runtime environment. The leverage enterprise grade operations, life cycle management and administration capabilities. Different kind of operations, as we have just mentioned, are being taken care by the SAP HANA different kind of application services. Now, SAP HANA DB services, transactions, analytics, streaming, predictive, statistical and text mining. As we have just discussed, these kind of activities through this DB services, database services, you can get lot of information, easy, low cost way to be up and running with SAP HANA in cloud, native HANA development with HANA extended application services, Access Engine and SAP River, transaction processing and event streaming, advanced predictive analytics and text mining capabilities. Now imagine the things which were not possible till now. Take an example, if some kind of operations is taking place in abroad, or some operations taking place, medical operations taking place in India, controlled by the abroad scientists or abroad doctors. How it is possible? It was possible in other way, but at the moment just to take any kind of decision, lot of kind of facilities can be collaborated. Take example of different kind of diseases, streaming each and every full stages are being stored. In other words, you may be knowing about the big data concept as we are talking about SAP and HANA, that this kind of different kind of data types which are already stored, and you as a scientist, you as an engineer, you as a medical persons, you are in any capacity of able to see the different kind of data sets in a different way for your research activity, for taking a proper decision, or for doing lot of other activities. In other way, the total collaborative attitudes, total collaborative things have been discussed, and all the information which are being stored you can make easily, and you can make easily use can be done there for a better perspective. So how the different kind of database services are being there, and we can make use of them easily. Now it is a built-in and the secure and scalable infrastructure. As we have just mentioned, these are the certified operations, advanced network is going to be there, world class data centers are there, reliable data backups are there, advanced networks are going to be there, built-in complexity, integrity and confidentiality, which is the most important thing, is being there. The IT operations, quality management, high availability, energy efficiency and international accounting regulations, different like ISO 27001 certified, ISI 9001 certified, and different other standards which have been there, all of them are being there. So they need satisfying, all are going to be there. So different kind of, as we mentioned, that international accounting standard, energy efficiency, high availability, quality management, IT operations, having the advanced network, world class data center, all which is maximum possible things have been integrated into this SAP environment. Utilizing this HANA and other kind of activities, a maximum things can be done by utilizing these kind of softwares. Thank you very much about all that we have talked about, lot about the SAP and HANA services, as well as about how the cloud environment is going to be fitted into the system, simultaneously about all SAP, what kind of the best facilities which is available into this SAP environment, how it is going to be fit in, or it can be extended to the different environment which is going to be the use. In otherwise, the best facility at the moment, the ERP, that enterprises resource planning, the SAP is able to provide to this industry in a good way. So thank you very much for that.
On that note, I would like to thank sir for this very enriching discussion, and I would like to thank you, dear friends, for watching our show, and I hope that you have been benefited by this discussion of ours and that you have come to understand all the intricacies of what SAP is all about and how to deal with it. On that note, I would like to thank you, dear friends, for watching our show. Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you.